Health benefits of foam rolling. Foam roller. A foam roller is a cylindrical tool made from dense foam that is used for self-massage and myofascial release. Myofascial release is a technique that targets the fascia, a connective tissue that surrounds and supports muscles, bones, and organs. Over time, due to factors like physical activity, stress, and poor posture, the fascia can become tight and develop adhesions or knots, leading to discomfort, reduced flexibility, and even pain. How foam rollers work. Foam rolling involves using your body weight to apply pressure to specific areas of your muscles using the foam roller. This pressure helps release tension in the fascia and underlying muscles. Here's how it works. 1. Locate muscle knots. Identify areas of tension or discomfort in your muscles. These could be spots that feel tight, sore, or tender when touched. 2. Position the foam roller. Position the foam roller on the floor and sit or lie down on it, placing the targeted muscle area directly over the roller. 3. Apply pressure. Using your body weight, gently roll back and forth over the foam roller, focusing on the area where you feel tension or knots. You can adjust the pressure by shifting your body weight or using your hands and feet for support. 4. Stay on trigger points. When you find a particularly tender spot, known as a trigger point or knot, pause and hold your position for about 20 to 30 seconds. This sustained pressure helps the fascia release and relax. 5. Breathe and relax. As you roll and hold on trigger points, focus on your breath and try to relax the muscles being targeted. It's normal to feel some discomfort, but it should not be extremely painful. Benefits of foam rolling. Foam rolling offers several benefits, including 1. Myofascial release. Foam rolling helps release knots and adhesions in the fascia, improving overall muscle function and reducing the risk of injury. 2. Improved flexibility. Regular foam rolling can increase muscle flexibility and range of motion, making movements smoother and more comfortable. 3. Pain relief. By addressing tight muscles and trigger points, foam rolling can help alleviate muscle soreness and discomfort. 4. Enhanced circulation. Rolling increases blood flow to the muscles, aiding in muscle recovery and promoting healing. 5. Better performance. Foam rolling can improve muscle performance, making your workouts more effective and efficient. Tips for foam rolling. Start with gentle pressure and gradually increase as your muscles get accustomed to the sensation. Roll slowly and avoid rushing through the process. Focus on major muscle groups and areas of tension. Hydrate before and after foam rolling to support muscle recovery. Consult a healthcare professional if you have any pre-existing injuries or medical conditions. Incorporating foam rolling into your routine, whether before or after workouts or as a standalone practice, can contribute to better muscle health, reduced pain, and improved flexibility. Remember that consistency is key to experiencing the benefits of self-myofascial release.